So you guys just gave a talk. What was it called, and what did you guys go through?
So it was called the Hackers Know What You Have in Production, Do You? And we were just kind of talking about a lot of the kind of common security issues that people run into in these sort of environments, especially around the software supply chain.
There's a lot of open holes in a lot of these applications. I like to focus a lot more on the development side, so I'm more concerned with actual libraries that we're using, with safe coding practices, making sure that we're pulling in dependencies that we know and trust, things like that. But there's a lot of other issues to think about, right?
There's a lot of the similar implications on the kind of operation production side, but then there's also a lot of different ways you have to look at them, and that's really what we've been trying to do, is highlight how we're doing very different jobs, but we really have the same issues, and we just kind of approach them differently and have to work together to try to not have them more in the future.
Awesome. Okay, and out of that, you guys have a reference architecture, I guess. Where would people go to find that?
Yeah, there's some blogs out that'll have access to all of them. There's, again, all the YouTube videos that go into much greater detail than what we did today.
Yep.
And it'll be all over the place.
Awesome. Cool. Thanks a lot, guys.